Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Rev for Transcription to speed up LinkedIn content, full guide step by step clearly. To start using Rev for Transcription services, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in rev.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address you would like to associate with your Rev account. Next, create a secure password for your account. Confirm your password to ensure there are no typos. After that, you may be asked to agree to Rev's terms and conditions. Read through the terms and check the box to confirm your agreement. Once you complete these steps, click the Sign Up button to finish creating your account. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from Rev. Click the link in the email to verify your account. With your account verified, return to rev.com and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the transcription section on the homepage. Here, you can choose to upload audio or video files for transcription. Select the file you want to transcribe from your device. After uploading, you can choose any additional options available, such as timestamp. Once you have made your selections, click on the Order button to proceed. You will see the estimated turnaround time and the cost for the transcription. Confirm your payment method to complete your order. Once the payment is processed, your transcription will be queued. You will receive notifications as your transcription progresses. When your transcription is complete, you will receive another email notification. Log back into your Rev account to access your completed transcription. Download the transcription file in your desired format. You can now use this content to enhance your LinkedIn posts and articles. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.